Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a hoverbox effect in Wix Studio. In this, I will be guiding you through the process. A hoverbox effect is a great way to add interactivity and visual interest to your website. The process is very simple and easy. First thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix Studio. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password or your Google account and email address. And after that, this is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen. Now what you got to do is go to this option of create new site and choose the Studio blank canvas. You can also choose any other website, but still I'm looking for this, so I'm choosing this. And after that, what I'm going to do is that after it loads the site and prepare the site for me, I would be adding an element. Then I would be adding the hover effect, customize those hover effect. I'm going to add the content, and then in the end I will be simply previewing it and publishing it. So you see, this is my blank site that is prepared by my Wix Studio. Now what I'm going to do is go to this option of add elements here, or you can also navigate to this option here and add elements. When I click on this option here, you see scroll down to this repeater option. When you click on this repeater option, just adjust or stretch it according to the size you want. Let's just say I want this size. If you want some other items, you can also click on this add items, or you can also let's just say I scale it to the center. Now I'm going to show you repeater, and I'm going to show you the hover effect in one image only, but you can try it out on all the other images as well. First of all, what I'm going to do is that if you want to add the items, you can also add boxes, as many boxes as you want. But I would like only, if this is the box, you can add more items. I have added 6. What I'm going to do is change the background color first of this container. So what I'm going to do is go to this background color here. Let's just change it to more of a pinkish tone. So let's just choose here. I click on apply, and this is the color that is being chosen. Now I'm going to be using, the advantage of using repeater is that when you use the repeater, it is simply going to repeat each and every option that I've set from one image. It is actually used by each and every image as well. Now I'm going to change the borders or the corners. What I'm going to do is go to my corners. Here, let's just make the corners rounder. Now the corners are round. I can set the shadow to here. Now you can set the angles of those shadows, or you can also set the distance. Here, I'm going to set the size, or you can also blur those shadows to make them look more realistic. Now it's time to add the images. So what I'm going to do is click on this. I'm going to go to the add items. Here you see the option of image. I'm going to be clicking on this. Now you see it has repeated image on each box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the image. I would like to upload media from my computer. You can also explore the Wix. Now you see this is a sunflower. I'm simply going to click on open, and it is going to load the sunflower for me. Now I'm going to go to this update. You can also adjust the size to whatever you want. Okay, now what I'm going to do is add an image again. Click on add media, upload media, drop it from your computer. I like this one as my background. I'm going to click on open, and this is going to load. See, this video is just for the sake of the video, and it does not make any sense. I'm not making sure that the aesthetics are cool. It is just for the sake of the video, so it is, you know, it does not make much sense. What I'm going to do is apply the hover effect. For that, go to the inspector panel that is present right beneath the publish option. Here you see the animations and effect. This is the hover effect. Go to add. Let's just say I like shrink one for my first image. You can adjust it. The duration, you can set the duration as well. You can set the preview. Okay, this is the hover effect for my, you see the front image. Now adjust the hover effect for the background image. Go to the hover effect. Let's just say I choose twist one for my background. Now I'm going to set the duration to 1.4 or 1.5, scale, direction, and then preview. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I'm going to preview it first. So this was basically the hover effect for now one image. You can check it out on each and every image. You could adjust these on here as well. So this is how you are going to apply the hover effect on your Wix Studio. The process is very simple and easy. You have successfully created a hover box effect in Wix Studio. They are a great way to add visual interest and interactivity to your website. So that is it for this video. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.